Here's how to install Claude Desktop on Windows in less than 2 minutes. Today we'll show you in a step-by-step guide how to set up the desktop app so you can access Claude faster and work without switching browser tabs. First, open your browser on your Windows computer. You will see a standard homepage or search bar. Type in the official Claude download page and press enter. Once it loads, look for the section that shows Download for Windows button and prepare to click it. Next, click the Download for Windows button. Your screen will show a file downloading at the bottom or inside the Downloads folder. After that finishes, open the downloaded installer file directly from the browser or file manager. You will then see a Windows security prompt asking if you want to allow the app to make changes. Then, click Yes on the permission prompt. After that, an installation window will appear with the progress bar moving across your screen. Wait for it to complete fully before closing anything. Once it finishes, you will see a confirmation message and an option to launch the app. Now open the Claude Desktop from that option or your desktop shortcut. A login screen will appear asking for your account details. Enter your Claude login information and continue. If Windows blocks the installer, click More Info and then select Run Anyway. After that, the main chat interface will load with a message box in the center. If the installer does not work, open your browser and go to claude.ai, log in, and use the web version instead. You can also install it as a desktop shortcut from your browser menu for quick access. Once everything is set, Claude Desktop will open on Windows with a clean chat screen ready for messages. Following these simple steps makes installing and accessing Claude on your computer quick and easy.